This is not your traditional potato salad. Today I'm gonna have a creamy, cheesy, smoky ranch bacon potato salad. Grab some potatoes and let's get making with some bacon. For the potato salad, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the sauce for it. Now, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I don't ever measure this. I just do what my heart tells me to do. So we're gonna start off with some Duke's Mayo. Yes, I said Duke's. No, I'm not sponsored. It's just what my husband loves. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that in my pan. Or shall I say bowl. And I'm learning from my mistakes, you guys. I got a big bowl this time. Just throw it in there. Now I'm making a double batch of my potato salad. So you're gonna want a lot of sauce. That looks like probably I used about 3/4 of this. We're gonna add a little bit of garlic. Wrong side. Probably about 2 tablespoons. Some ranch. We're gonna let that flow. Sour cream. I got about half the container left. We're gonna throw it all in there. Now we need some milk. You can use any milk you want. I use the Fit milk. I like to have the extra protein in with my milk, and I can't have lactose, so this works out perfect. We're gonna mix it all up. Let's taste it, you guys. Ooh, my fork, I almost lost it. Let's give it a taste, see how we're doing with flavors. She's good. She needs more ranch. Whew, that should be good. All right, that looks perfect. I'm gonna retaste, mix it all up. That's where we want her, that's perfect. Don't be shy, don't forget to taste it. To this, now we're going to add, I have diced up green onions, a whole sheet pan of bacon bits. You can probably buy your own, but I just enjoy making them. White cheddar aged cheese. You can use any cheese that you like, it's just cheddar goes best with this. Mix that up. And then next, we toss in all of our potatoes. Here, I have some boiled red potatoes. That's what we're gonna use for today. What potatoes do you guys like? Tell me down below in the comments. Let's go ahead and add all these in. And you wanna toss it all together gently. So when those potatoes are boiled, to get them softened, we don't want them to break up too much. You hear that? That is just the sound we're looking for. This is perfect, you guys. Here comes one of my favorite parts. I get to taste it. It's good, it's creamy, it's smoky from the bacon. It's got that nice salt flavor. You know, I think we're missing one thing though. I think I do need to put some pepper in there. We're gonna go ahead and grab some. We're gonna give it another mix. Give it another taste. That's perfect. Now, the reason I made such a big batch is we got invited for a cookout, so we gotta go do that. I'm telling you what, right now, you're gonna wanna make this because it's going to make the crowd around you super happy. It's a comfort, delicious summer potato salad. Tell me if you make it below and if there's anything you would change. And until next time, I'm looking forward to seeing from y'all.